Good morning, guys. Welcome to S&B Diaries. Welcome to you all. We're here today at Portmerion and we're going to have a wander around. It's a unique setting here right up on the northwest coast. So if you'd like to follow us, we'll show you around. So here's the entrance. It has been raining here. Just recently stopped.
What's this?
So we come down to the official entrance to Portmerion here. Beautiful two-tone building. You can see lots of moss on the roof there. So it's quite big.
I don't think we can finish today. It's quite big, isn't it?
Little bit of Italy in the Welsh countryside.
That's cute.
It's a nice painting.
No, they haven't got in there yet. Oh, is it that now?
There's a nice old building with a great big crest of arms up on the top of it.
You don't want to go, do you? Do you want to go up ahead? Keep going. I'll meet them.
I think that's hotel. Oh.
Yeah, might be.
Yeah.
Just show you this wonderful ornate ceiling here.
We can look at everything, aren't we?
Say hello to the viewers.
Hi. Nice one, nice place.
Showing you these wonderful rock formations here. How about that for a view? Absolutely glorious. Just having a wander around. Coming up to this lookout. Wow, stunning. Wonderful view for you guys, look at that. A break in the weather, so we're getting lucky. Sun's trying to come out now over the hills there. Looking out over the river. And down there's the hotel, that cluster of buildings. The rest of it was filled in. The hotel on the site officially opened in Easter, 2nd of April 1926.
Where's the hotel? This one.
Down there. So we've just come up from the lookout tower. Gonna head back through the arch here. Nice. For its wonderful colours. Beautiful coloured buildings it's got here. And the old doorbell there, look. Beautiful little courtyard here. cafe here on the left hand side. And there's an art shop selling paintings, gallery. Wonderful dome-shaped building there. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely, little bit of a Italian Renaissance here on the Welsh countryside. Really quite unique and quite stunning, the architecture here. Just going to go inside the gallery. Quite a unique stained glass window there. Just showing you inside the domed gallery here. That's the ceiling up there, with these unique circular windows. Got all kinds of unique features, and a dollhouse that was built. And here's some of the Portmerion pottery. Wonderful coloured painting there. Oh, how about that? Miniature version of the village. That's quite cool. Somebody went to a lot of trouble there. Just giving you an overview of its uniqueness. Small piece of Italy up here on the northwest Welsh coast. This wonderful creation of this architect that took over 25 years to complete. Quite stunning, really. Got a sort of quirky sort of charm feel to it. You can understand why it took so long to build. The attention to detail is quite fabulous. Wonderful little boat. Shop there. We're just having a quick look around the gift shop here. Nice selection of handmade sweets in the cabinet. I'd just like to take this opportunity to show you some of the Portmerion crockery. what it's famous for. Some of the designs quite unique and named after this particular area. I'm just showing you this wonderful arch which is right outside the cafe here. As I was saying earlier, it's over 70 acres with lots of tropical trees here, redwoods, cedars, pines, rhododendrons, magnolias, etc.
Have you been round the woodland?
Not yet, no.
If I was you, I'd go down the hotel, go for Folly Lighthouse, and then go back again and across. It's nice. Okay, have a nice day.
Yes, and you. That was the painter just giving us a heads up. Just come round the other side of the palm trees. More cobbles. Different angle looking down on the chess set from this quite quirky seating area here. Every attention to detail. There's a little cherub there. Got a sundial on top of his head. Just heading out now, up the steps into the courtyard. What a wonderful tour we've had. Just another outdoor seating area. But I thought I'd show you the plant stand here, look. In between the wrought iron with its nice pot of geraniums and lobelia in. Beautiful. Sign over the door says Pot Jam. This building's 3 colours, yellow, rustic red and blue. How about that? Then opposite, it's a coffee shop. Wonderful courtyard cafe there. Just starting to rain.
Look, it's different.
Italian pond. Got these tall like palm trees here by the side of the pond here. And that was the building we were in front of just a minute ago.
Isn't it?
It's all cobbled stones at the moment.
Really beautiful.
Quite interesting and unique. Very,
choice.
very creative. There. Oh, someone going for a swim.
It's quite expensive, isn't it?
Maybe. We got some white ones in the garden. I forget what they're called. They're all dotted around here with these wonderful heathers. Just show you that view there. So we're down now at the Portmerion Hotel. I'm just showing you through the decades there, starting in 1920 right up to its present day form, the last one there. Just going to go through the gates down the lower section here, looking back at the hotel, which looks out over the river estuary. It's hardly a breeze today. There's the Welsh flag there. Little robin on the fence. I don't know if you can see him right in the middle there of your picture. What looks like a boat on the edge here. They've created. Looking back at the hotel there. Else there. Just show you a bit of the shoreline there, the riverside. Let's go through the arch and see where it goes. Nice little view out over the river. Nice old ship's wheel. It's well worth the entrance fee of £17 per adult for the Portmerion Village and Gardens. And we're just having a wander around on the river estuary. Just showing you the jagged rocks here with the seaweed. Here's a wishing log where you insert your money into the top of the stump and make a wish. Can you see the coins in there? Most of the trees grown up normally, but this huge knobbly bits going round like a U-shaped pipe. Nice view over the lily pond. So we're just heading out to the floating deck. So supporting these, showing you these wonderful lilies down there. Hi guys, so that's all from us for today here in the colourful village of Portmerion up on the northwest coast of Wales. So thank you for watching, take care guys, and bye for now.